Okay, to the hill.
If anyone ever watches your videos, they're gonna be like, "Wait, it's a different car."
Yeah.
But actually,
It is a different car. Well, yeah, it's a different body on the same car. No, it's aluminum tape. And I like the aluminum tape on the back, so that way if you go out really far, you can see it. Oh, that was close to.
Lights on it, so you can deactivate those in the fault, and then you can see.
Gabe. You had on 50, right?
yeah. Time for a puff wheelie.
That's not possible, really.
Do a back wheelie.
Oh, yeah. Wait, Gabe, can you just wheelie it the whole way? Guys, move that. Gabe, wheelie it the whole way. How long can you keep the wheelie? How long can you do a wheelie?
Forever.
Okay, we'll do it forever.
No. Because
No, do it past here. Do that past here. You can. Oh yeah.
Oh! You told them to move it!
and then
Anyway,
they
Gabe,
moved
the
it.
thing is, okay.
They
there.
moved it into the path of my destruction.
Gabe, we gotta go down to the hill. Why? Because the battery's going dead. Gabe, I thought you said you weren't gonna drive in the grass.
It's hard to control anything when you're on 500 or 100.
I guess so.
Are those back wheels for the wheelies?
Yeah.
So it doesn't.
Ugh.
Because with how powerful it is, if that wasn't there, it would just flip over and roll.
Yeah. That's what my car does.
It would go.
Yeah, that's what mine does too.
Hey, let's go.
I need to see something.
Go slowly downhill.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah.
It's drifting that way.
It's called right. Gabe, drive it slowly up the hill. It's too far left.
Or the headquarters?
We'll tell him eventually.
Nobody gets close.
Okay, Gabe, do some high-speed passes.
You can't see it.
Hey, right here. Go down there. Speed up.
What's wrong with the wheel? It's like out like that.
Yeah, it's called camber. It's meant to do that.
Hit Owen!
No, Gabe, you meant to go past me super fast, you know? Gabe, come past me.
How much weight is on that? Can I sit on that and it should go?
No, it won't. Gabe, those are low speed passes. We need high speed passes. High speed passes, Gabe. High speed passes. That's better. Gabe, do a wheelie pass. Go past me while you're doing a wheelie. Yes. Gabe, let's go down the hill a bit. Gabe, let's go down the hill.
It died.
Oh, it died? Well, good thing the other battery's charged. It was beeping.